Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day so far. Happy Freaky Friday to you. December 6th, 2024, 9:28 a.m. 2 minutes to the open here, guys. Looking at the 1 minute chart of the two sisters. And let me go over to the daily frame like we always do. Starting with the NASDAQ and the S&P left and right. We have down days, meaning that we broke yesterday's low, but bullish bodies on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. Very similar structure here, guys. Big candle on Wednesday. A little bit of an up day here yesterday on both, closing down below the open yesterday. And now we have a day that had broke the low of yesterday, but now bullish bodies. I think I'm repeating myself there, but there it is, guys. So a little bit of a mixed kind of neutral picture here, especially after this big run up here, guys. We should expect some ranging action. We certainly got that yesterday. Very choppy day. I know a lot of traders got hurt yesterday trying to make money in a very narrow range with lots of messiness, confusion, and indecision. If it's not clean, let's not trade it, guys. I took one trade out of the open and it did not follow through, and that was my 1R loss for the day for the Razor's Edge model. Now, let's move over to the 1 minute chart again, guys. Here, volume weighted average price, VWAP, 2 standard deviation bands, waiting for the open here in about 30 seconds or so. Here's my trading grid, guys, while we're here waiting for this thing to open. There's that daily chart that I showed you a little bit earlier. There's the Asian range, UK range. That's the NFP print. We got a bit of a wild swing like we typically do, and now pushing up here on the open. These arrows signify cleanish traffic. Not really clean given these rejection wicks here, but we have this big span of travel from yesterday down, guys, in the New York session. Pushing up a little bit here now, but look at these EMAs, guys, just wrapping around each other, going sideways after that NFP flurry. So very kind of lackluster here this morning. Pushing up a little bit into that clean traffic range there. Got that big wick to contend with. Mind you, that was a news wick, so I'm not overly concerned about it, to be quite frank with you. Don't love this flatlining EMA set here, guys. That's the definition of ranging. Patience, guys, patience. I'm not going to act on anything here, guys, for the time being. Even if we push up here higher, doesn't matter to me. We're just above dead center of yesterday's span of travel. Watching. S&P doing something similar, so really supporting a move up here, but nothing convincing for me here. I do want to see how prices react or act against this piece right here. Just going to leave that there, guys. And pushing above for now. Rejecting down here now, guys. You see that there? There and there. We could absolutely go higher, but for now, we're watching what the market does here and seeing if it can assimilate some of the orders that'll be sitting there. Just going to delete that now. There we go, guys. Breaking above now. Just going to sit and watch here, guys. If this goes without me, I'm just fine with it. Again, this is the news reaction from NFP, and a bunch of other news came out at the same time, guys. Just want to see how this market wants to resolve around this. right, guys, pushing up a little bit here now. I'm going to delete these markers now just to keep things nice and clean. Nothing to do. Just bringing out a marker here, guys, just to measure some things. Not doing anything. I'll let you know if I go live here. All right, buy stop order here, guys. Buy stop order. See if we can resolve higher very quickly. Same thing happening here. 9 above 21. Here we go, guys. Buy stop, and I'm in, guys. I am in, just like that. Stop right at the top of the open range. A little bit aggressive, but below all of these candles here that we're trying to resolve this, right? All right, guys, why am I long? Well, we're in a rampaging bull market. We had a resting day yesterday after this big run up, and now resolving to the upside after NFP, a very important piece of news here this morning. Initially jiggled around here, did a little tug of war, and resolving up 9 above 21 in a cleanish traffic range, getting above that wick right there that we talked about, and in line with the daily trend, which of course is bullish, very bullish in fact. And we also have the S&P sort of agreeing with this move here, being above open range, above 9 and 21, and in a positive moving average configuration. This has not been helpful to many trades lately on the market open, so nice to see some alignment here. Pushing up here, guys. And there it is, guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Have an amazing day.